Have you ever pondered the significance of business credit? It's more than just a number, it's a vital key to unlocking your business's growth potential. It all begins with understanding what business credit is. It's an index that determines your company's financial health. It's like a report card for your business. And just as you would want to score well on a report card, you want your business to have good credit. So, how do you build this credit? Let's start by breaking it down into 4 easy steps. Step 1, establish your business as a separate entity. This means getting your employer identification number or EIN, registering your business name, and opening a business bank account. This step separates your personal finances from your business, creating a clear financial boundary. Step 2, apply for a business credit card. Using a business credit card for your company's expenses helps to establish a credit history separate from your personal one. Remember to use this card responsibly. Just as with personal credit, late payments can negatively impact your business credit score. Step 3, work with vendors that report to the credit bureaus. When these vendors report your prompt payments, it helps build your business credit. It's a step often overlooked, but it's a significant one in proving your business's creditworthiness. And step 4, monitor your credit. Regularly checking your business credit report helps you identify any errors and address them promptly. It's also a good way to track your progress and see the effects of your efforts. Now you may wonder, why go through all this trouble? Well, a good business credit score opens doors. It can help you secure better loan terms, lower insurance premiums, and even attract potential investors. It's your business's ticket to bigger and better opportunities. To recap, building business credit involves establishing your business as a separate entity, using a business credit card responsibly, working with vendors that report to credit bureaus, and regularly monitoring your credit. Remember, business credit isn't built overnight. It requires time, consistency, and responsible financial management. But with these steps, you're well on your way to building a solid business credit score, paving the road for your business's financial success. This journey may seem daunting, but remember, every big journey begins with a single step. And with these steps, you're not just building credit, you're building a future for your business. So take that first step today and watch your business flourish.